Welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yes, this is part 2 of the Mexican Lime Lager. Everybody's been asking, hey, get Drew over here for a taste test.
Here I am.
Yeah, he's like, free beer? I'm there.
Yeah.
Done, not a problem.
Good to me.
Sounds good. So it came out amazing. I figured I'd skip the transfer. If you need that, we'll get some more videos on how to transfer. It was a pressure transfer. I did do a pressure fermentation. One thing I've learned I like about pressure fermentation is that when you get it up around 10 to 12 PSI and you cold crash a pressure fermentation, it'll drop down to like anywhere between, to lose 2 points, so it might go down to 10 or 8. Or if it's an ale, it'll drop down to maybe 6 or even 5. That's awesome, because normally otherwise you get that back suck where it sucks all the liquid in when it's not a pressure fermentation. So you don't want, the water's been sitting up there keeping the bugs out to come on in with your beer. It's just not a good sight. So yes, our glasses are empty. We're gonna pour it real quick. Don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing, definitely appreciate it. I will tell you, according to the EasyDens, which I leave links down below, $20 off I think still on the EasyDens, which is kind of cool. Their new one, it's the refractometer. I gotta reach out to them. I've seen some mixed reviews, so I'm curious. But we had an original gravity of 1.050 and the final gravity was 1.008, which puts it right at about 5.5% ABV. The tilt was bouncing around at 1.051, so it could have been, 1.0505, I don't know. But that would have put it up closer to 5.7. I'm gonna go with 1.050 and a final gravity of 1.08 or 008. Sorry, it's hard to keep all the numbers straight in my head. But that gives us a nice 5.5% ABV. We've got the Pilsner, we've got the maize, AKA corn, and a little bit of carapils for a little head retention. We'll see how that goes. So let me get these glasses poured and it'll instantly happen. Cheers, I still got a little froth. This is pretty much gone already. We do have bubbles sticking to the glass, but that's because I just hand washed these glasses and I didn't let them sit and dry, so they had a little residual moisture on them. But I mean, the clarity, stupid clear. I did use gelatin. Good. I did use the Clarity Firm from White Labs, and I did cold crash, of course, it's in a keg. I'm gonna let Drew start with the taste test. It had 6 medium to small lime zest, only the zest, add it to it. I have had a little sip early. That's the great thing about pressure fermentation and having a picnic tap 2.0, 2.1 now. But yeah, you can get a little sample.
Kind of smells like a loaded land shark. You know what that is?
No.
It's a land shark where you just shove a chunk of lime in it. So
that'll work. Yeah, I like the lime aroma. It's not as strong as I expected though.
Actually, this smells a little bit more like a Modelo.
Modelo?
A little bit.
With the lime in it, because I'm because I've not had a Modelo without, actually I don't really care for Modelo. Modelo Dark I do, that's a Dunkel though.
Wow, it's a lot of lime.
Oh.
Actually, that's really good. I thought it was just gonna be like lime in the scent, but it's
the lime for me is very mild. The scent is nice, really out there. I get a little bit more of the Pilsner with a little bit of
oh, for sure. It's not like a sour.
Oh yeah, no,
where it's an intense lime flavor. It's more of it's more than I expected to get out of this.
And this is his first try. He has not had any of it, zero zip zilch. And this is really my first one where it's sitting down at a nice ice cold temperature.
Which is really good.
Yeah, I'll be bottling some of this for Thanksgiving for my dad to try. I know the video will post the day after Thanksgiving, but hey, it's all good. He likes the lighter beers. I think he'll absolutely love this. I have 5 gallons of this, but I have so many people asking for a bottle of this, so it's gonna go very quickly. Oh, yeah. And if it doesn't, me and him will come over and just drink it.
I should have brought my keg over.
Yeah, 5.5%. I'm like, come on. Yeah, it's super easy drinking.
It's a shame that it's, November and not summer.
Yeah, but I'm like that.
Hey, it's Florida.
He knows. My wife, his mom, I'm always craving chili during the middle of the hot summer. And recently, it was freezing outside, according to my wife. That means 60 degrees in Florida. And I'm like, hey, you want a salad? And she's like, why do you like cold things in the winter and hot things in the summer? And I'm like, I just do. Yeah, I was that kid, it's 40 degrees outside. And I want to stop and get an ice cream on the way to school. Yeah, that was me. So, or go get the spicy chips in the middle of summer when it's hot as hell. But yeah, super drinkable. If you've never done a lager, I'm gonna tell you, go for the dry yeast, but this White Labs 940 did an amazing job. It came out great. The lime zest, I don't think I would change anything. 6 medium limes came out. I like the aroma. I like the little punch of aroma.
good.
I don't think it's as strong, but everybody's palate's a little different. But, oh yeah, I'll probably be making something like this for summertime too, just because I know people will ask for it.
I want some for summertime.
Everybody wants that, but me. So, cheers. Don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing. I may go refill my glass because this is a pretty small glass, you know what I'm saying? Cheers. Thank you.
See you.